Yeah, you clicked. Very smart move. Thanks for watching. I am the Quant, and I created the concept I wish I'd had when I started algo trading. And watch this video carefully. I'm offering you the chance to be part of an exceptional project. 21 people will be selected to get everything the Quant has to offer. For free and for life. So what is the Quant? I'll try to explain this in 2 minutes flat. The Quant concept is built on 4 pillars that will support you throughout your entire algo trading career. A training course with over 30 hours of content. A community of algo traders. AI agents. And the last one, it's absolutely wild. I'm saving it as a surprise for the end. The first pillar is the complete training. It's split into 4 chapters. Chapter 1 is a plug-and-play robot that lets you test all your strategies in just a few clicks, without spending hours reprogramming everything. Chapter 2 is over 30 trading indicators, including multi-symbol, multi-time frame, volume profile, TPO, and even AI. All the source code that goes with it, just like the robot. And chapters 3 and 4 give you the foundations you need to create strategies, plus the best practices to backtest and optimize them. Pillar number 2 is the community, a place where everyone can share their ideas, ask for help, and most importantly, where collaborative work can create wonders. The third pillar provides you with 3 AI agents. They are trained on the Quant framework. They help you with the training, with building strategies. And the last one, hold on tight, codes your strategy for you. You don't code? No problem, he does. And the last pillar, the chef's surprise, right fitting. Right fitting is an anti-overfitting plugin that analyzes your optimizations and gives them a robustness score, with criteria like multi-period analysis and parameter robustness. Got 1,000 optimizations. You run right fitting on them before going to bed, and the next day you know exactly which strategies are robust and which ones are overfit. Yes, you got it right. Right fitting lets you avoid every trader's worst nightmare, overfitting. Let's recap. A complete training with source code, a community shooting for the moon, AI agents that help you, and a big bye-bye to overfitting. Bye-bye overfitting. We good? Did I keep it under 2 minutes? So, is this the thing you need? Seriously? So, like I told you at the beginning, I'm offering you the chance to join the team by becoming one of the founders. 21 people, from all kinds of backgrounds. Traders, developers, designers, social media pros, even ultra-beginner testers who know absolutely nothing about any of this. We've planned to pick all types of profiles. And if you're hesitating because you're not sure you have what it takes, know that everything has been designed so that someone who's neither a trader nor a developer can enjoy the full concept. So trust your luck. Today's the day to grab it. Click right below and join the project that's taking your career to the moon. It's free, and it's already started without you. This was the Quant. I'll see you on the inside. Let's build.